Good evening, guys. How are you today? I hope you are having a good time, like always. Yeah, look at this. This is my laundry, and this is my bag. It is wet. That is why it's there. So I'm going to wash that. Yeah, I already have some more inside that. Yeah, this rain, mate. And yeah, I'm actually preparing my things because tomorrow I am going to Sydney. I am going to meet the friends, John and Charlene. They are coming from Melbourne in Apollo Bay, and they will come to Sydney. I don't know what time, but yeah. Yeah, also the other guys, we're going to meet them somewhere in Sydney. I don't know exactly what is the plan, but yeah, we will see. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog because I am shy when I'm with the friends, so I don't know what is going to happen. Yeah, I will be just having this bag. Yeah, it's Skechers, mine. But yeah, if you remember, I bought this bag from the Philippines when I went there last December. And actually, this is not good because when I put here something, it always falling down like this. Yeah, so this side is heavy because I have my computer here and then the other things here, so it always keep on going down like this. That's why I don't like this.
Stop Town Hall, then Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, and then all stations to Hornsby.
Good evening, guys. We are now here in Sydney Central Station.
Matagal na kita hindi nakita. Oo nga eh. Yayakapin kita ng gusto. Mabuti. Kumusta ka na?
Last time we are there, we never been in this part. This one is called the Rocks. Yeah, this place is like the old Sydney. I'm not sure. Yeah, that is John and Charlene.
Sabi, kain ba yung gagawin mo o kape lang? Na hot choco, ganun.
Broken hearts go. Good morning, guys. Yeah, right now we are here in the Bunkers Hills. Yeah, so basically that is the the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Yeah, and this location is the like the old Sydney. Most of the buildings that you're going to see here are old looking, color brown, with those kinds of windows, with those kinds of roofs. Yeah, things like that. This one is a little bit modern, but in there mostly are old. This is the Rocks. This area is called the Rocks. And in these parts of Sydney, the Rocks, there are access everywhere. As you can see, this glossy stairs walk, it's going all the way to the Harbour Bridge and going to the city. And in here there are also some access there going to the hotel, maybe. And there is access here going down there. Yeah, we're going to walk down here to reach that place. What is this, mate? There is one chair here. What are the purpose of these things here? Nice. I am comparing this to the place in Europe, like in Bruges, Belgium. Yeah. John and Charlene, they are still sleeping when I leave the hotel. I think they will be awake by the time I get back. Okay, we here. Oh yeah, now I know. Now I know, mate. At the moment, we are here in the Pancake House. No, it's not Pancake House. And people are coming now. And on that side, they are doing something like a photo shoot. We just eat in the no, it's not pancake house. I keep on saying that. It's the pancakes on the rocks. This is our Uber.
Wow.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Why not? Birkenhead, okay.
Yeah, we are now here in the Birkenhead. This is basically a outlet shopping mall. Yeah, so it means that things that you're going to see here are cheaper compared to those in the other shopping mall. Hey, look at this. This is a Birkenhead Point visitor passport. So basically, if you are coming from other parts of Australia or maybe like other region or other state of Australia, you just need to go to the desk and tell them that you are from other state, and they will give you a booklet containing a lot of discount voucher. Yeah, that you can use in any of the shop here. And that discount is additional discount from the posted discount. Amazing! I just bought a new jacket. It's Pila, and the regular price is $110. But because this is in the outlet mall, so it has a 50% discount plus another 10% discount because they are coming from, I mean, my friends are coming from another state, so they got a 10% discount. Yeah, and this is how it looks like. I don't really like this, but I don't know, impulsive buying, mate. Yung naka-holding hands naman.
Oh, yun ako.
Na
Ikaw sa parlulot ka kasi. But it looks like a lady.
Wala, mukha ko lady.
Can you properly do it? Hindi mo doon. Wait. Okay lang sa'yo doon?
Oo.
Sabi mo ang breakfast?
Oh, sabi ko dyan nag-breakfast ayaw.
Pero alam mo na talaga yung presyo kaya sinabi mo.
Now there is a night market here in the rocks. Here you see those. It is raining this time, and I was thinking that this maybe is another beginning of a week of raining days. Yeah. Yeah, the night market, they are selling different things from food to dry things, dry stuff. Yeah. Yeah, mate, there is a live band, live musician here. Nice. Taking home to the place. I'm going to show you how big is this restaurant. Look at that from that side, and there's somewhere in here. Yeah. It's nice. It's very busy, man. Hey guys, good morning. We just checked out from that hotel and we are now going to the train station and we'll go to Port Stephen, Nelson Bay, mate. This time they are preparing this road covered with this what do you call that? Yeah, so basically this place will be covered of outdoor shopping tonight. Yeah, I don't know what time, but for sure tonight, because you know, last time, I mean yesterday, there are some more already in here. So these two guys, they will also coming with me to Nelson Bay, and tomorrow they are going back to Melbourne, Apollo Bay. Yeah, this one is the one that's going to be an event tonight in there. If you are here in Circular Quay, you can ride in any platform because both of them are going to Central Station. I will show you some of the features of this train. Yeah, so basically these are some of the things that you don't, these are the things that you should not do here in the train. And also there are camera, hearing loop, things like that. So this is the first floor and the second level. Yeah. If you want to go to the other side, this way, but we are not going there. At the moment, we are here. This is the Central Station. Look at this bike. This is a pot tire bike. Nice. I have the same, but my one is more beautiful, man. When I was here in Sydney, this is my favorite restaurant in Cafe. This is just in front of the railway Central Station. And look at that car, yellow cab, amazing. Looks good, looks new, but old. You know, this time we are running because there is no train going to Newcastle. So we need to follow this instruction to get to Newcastle. And we're going to take the bus. Yeah, we need to follow this. Good morning. We're going. Oh, sorry. Good morning. We are going to Newcastle.
What?
Newcastle.
Whereabouts?
Hamilton Station.
Just there.
Thank you.